me, Mika, aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, this video is so needed. This is going to be an updated head wrap tutorial. I love a head wrap tutorial. This is kind of embarrassing, but this is my first head wrap tutorial video. As y'all can see, the lighting is off, the editing is off, all of that. We're gonna recreate some of those styles and then some. So if you guys want to see how I do it, just keep watching. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Hit it, hit it, hit it. And also thumbs this video up if you like hair tutorials and things of that nature. Let's go. So first of all, let's address the elephant in the room, which is Penny. Penny is this half wig that I have on right now. She is bomb.com. I love her. First of all, one, she has gotten bigger with time, and two, better with time. I just feel like Diana Ross vibes. I don't know, I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. The first one I am going to show you, you could use with a small scarf. It is kind of like I don't feel like laying my edges. I want to deep condition on the go and wear my half wig and don't want the line to show for the half wig. Or it's you just want to tie your hair back hairstyle. So this is so easy. Do I really have to explain this one? I've been rocking it in a lot of my latest videos, but you just wrap it around, tie it up, and then I like to knot it. I like to knot it and go. Quick, easy, gives you a little bit of pizzazz. It's cute, and you can kind of show off different colors and stuff with your outfits. I love it. This is my easiest go-to style. All right, so next we're going to take a larger scarf, obviously, because it's going to take, you know, a little bit more length to get what we want accomplished. So the first style I'm going to show you, I feel like is just so elegant and so nice. So the first thing we're gonna do is flip our hair or our half wig forward, and then I'll explain directions, but I might kind of be sounding down, so I'll try my best. Okay, so for our scarf, we're going to want to turn it sideways and have a little bit of that. Can you guys see that? Hold it like this. I feel like I'm not in the whole frame. Hold it like this, yeah? And then you can bunch it up, right? Flip your hair forward, tie it around the back, and then bring it forward. Okay, so once I have that tied around there, I'm just gonna tie it here once for now until I've gotten it all pulled out. And then I'm gonna take that loose little piece that I had and flip it forward. Now, you can either tuck these back in, or sometimes I like to just get a little creative. And knot it, so that way it's kind of like a little bantu knot. But yes, this is look number 2. So simple, so easy. Your hair up, you can wear it with a nice outfit. I feel like off the shoulder is good, and it kind of just gives you like too much va-va-voom. Am I still in frame? Let me back up a little bit. I feel like I need more highlight for this look. I'm forgetting the other side, you know, but y'all know what I mean. Or for those who don't like the bantu knot, I just twist it up and tuck it under in the back. Also another simple, elegant style of doing it. The top knot, the OG of OG-ist scarf styles. Okay, so again, I'm going to kind of halfway do my fold over. That's what we're gonna call it, a fold over, right? Then we're going to put it around the back of our head. Get all the pieces together in the front. Now, it's easiest to move your hair out of the way now instead of doing it once it's in place. So go ahead and get your hair out of the way, girl. And then you can go ahead and twist around, bring it around, bring it. And I like to twist tightly. And then we're just going to to go ahead and knot it through. And that is that look. This scarf is a little bit smaller than the one I'm used to, but it's actually all right. It's all right. Sometimes, I don't know why, but I feel like I like to showcase my ear. Very strange, but I like to take my ear out with hats, scarves, all that. Let's go ahead and take that ear out. And that is that look. So another style that I really love that's so easy, and again, lazy day. When I say lazy day hairstyle, means I don't feel like laying my edges, I don't feel like blending, I don't feel like any of that. I got you. Again, we're gonna half our scarf. Go ahead and throw that thing back. Catch on to the ends. And that's it. I'm feeling very Pirates of the Caribbean vibes. Johnny Depp, where are you? Yes! I feel like I need some big hoop ear. Y'all know, look, I told y'all I gotta think about the ear. I gotta be able to hear. So that is it for this quick head wrap tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more, let me know. Go ahead and leave me some comments. Let me know what your favorite style is that I did today. And always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.